In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if hardware acceleration is enabled in Firefox. If you've heard that hardware acceleration can help Firefox run more smoothly and efficiently, you may be wondering whether it's currently enabled in your browser. Hardware acceleration allows Firefox to use your computer's graphics hardware for certain tasks instead of relying entirely on the processor. In some cases, this can improve performance when browsing websites, watching videos, or using web applications that require more graphical processing. To get started, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox is open, click the menu button in the upper right corner of the browser window. This button is represented by three horizontal lines and provides access to Firefox's settings and customization options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the main Firefox settings page, where you can manage browser preferences and performance options. Once you're in the settings page, click the search box and type Performance. Then, scroll down until you reach the Performance section. This is where Firefox stores settings related to browser speed and hardware usage. In the Performance section, you'll likely see an option called Use Recommended Performance Settings. If this option is enabled, Firefox automatically manages performance settings for your system, including hardware acceleration. To manually check the hardware acceleration setting, uncheck the box next to Use Recommended Performance Settings. Once you do that, additional performance options will become visible. Look for the setting labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If the checkbox next to this option is checked, then hardware acceleration is currently enabled in Firefox. This means the browser can use compatible graphics hardware to help improve performance in supported situations. If the box is unchecked, then hardware acceleration is disabled, and Firefox will rely more heavily on your computer's processor for rendering and other browser tasks. After checking the setting, you can leave it as it is or adjust it according to your preferences. Keep in mind that while hardware acceleration can improve performance on many systems, some users may experience display glitches or compatibility issues depending on their hardware and drivers. That's all there is to it. By checking the Performance section in Firefox settings, you can quickly determine whether hardware acceleration is enabled and decide if it's the right choice for your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.